Hi, my name's Nikki Ricci, and I'm with the VA Ann Arbor Healthcare System's Healthy Teaching Kitchen. Today we're going to focus on the low-carb diet, and we're going to make a simple and easy recipe from our recipe files. The recipe is beef and broccoli over zucchini noodles. It's a pretty easy recipe, so let's get to it. The ingredients you need today will be a cup of no added salt beef broth, a tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, a medium onion sliced, 1 pound of sirloin beef, which is sliced, and 4 heaping cups of fresh or frozen broccoli. Today we're going to use frozen broccoli that I've kind of let thaw out a little bit. And we'll also need either 2 small zucchinis, and using a spiralizer, make them into noodles if you have a spiralizer, or you can buy the zucchini noodles already frozen in the frozen section at your local grocery store. So first we're going to spray a pan over, it's been heating up, just spray it a little bit, over high heat it says. I'm going to turn it up a little bit. And then it has you adding 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. I'm going to guesstimate as best I can what 2 teaspoons is there. And then we're going to saute the sliced onions. And we're going to do this for about 3 minutes. So once we've got that going, we're going to focus on putting the sauce together. So the sauce has a cup of the beef broth. We're going to mix that with the minced garlic, the minced ginger, the low sodium soy sauce, and the cornstarch. And you're going to use a whisk to make a sauce. Mix it well. Make sure it's well mixed, and then we'll set this aside until we're ready for it. So if you want to start a low-carb diet, you may want to talk to your doctor first, just to make sure that there's no medications that are going to interfere with you eating a lower carb diet. But this recipe in particular has quite a lot of fiber. It only has 15 grams of carb in a serving. Once those are nice and brown, we're going to add the 1 pound of beef. We're going to do this for about 3 minutes or so. Once your meat is brown and almost cooked through, it's going to cook more as we go. We're going to add the broccoli, and the zucchini noodles. And we're going to toss that around, and we're going to saute it for about 3 minutes. So after a couple minutes, we're going to add the sauce that we made at the beginning. And this is going to kind of thicken up because it's got the cornstarch in it. We're going to cook it for about 3 minutes. When the sauce is a little bit thicker, then you have your meal. I'm going to plate it. The serving size is 2 cups, which is a pretty decent serving. So a very nice low-carb meal with lots of vegetables. You can find more recipes on our website at www.nutrition.va.gov. My name's Nikki Ricci. Join us next time for more Healthy Teaching Kitchen videos.